Welcome back. Today I'm sharing the 5 best reasons to DIY, as well as some really big and exciting news about a huge project that I've been working on for months, and I'm excited to share more on that in a bit. Let's go ahead and start with the 5 best reasons to DIY, and the number one reason is to save money. You can save thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars by building your own real wood furniture or home improvement projects instead of buying the furniture or hiring the project out. Another little benefit to not having to hire out is then you don't have to worry about finding a contractor or handyman and then all of the frustrating parts of dealing with them for a project. I personally have saved my family tens of thousands of dollars over the last 10 years of doing DIY for home improvement projects, DIY furniture, and room makeovers instead of having to hire it out or buy the furniture instead. Number 2, you could discover a new passion with DIY and woodworking and just feel really proud. It's that amazing feeling when you can look at something that you built and say, I made that. Once again, this is something I have personally experienced with DIY. Once I learned how to build my first build, which was a DIY farm table, I really became hooked on building things for our home that we wanted, and woodworking and DIY has become one of my greatest passions in life. Number 3 is creating beauty and function for your home. You can start making your home look and function the way that you want it to, bringing you daily joy, organization, and peace of mind. This is something that hit me really hard last year when we moved out of our home that we had spent 4 years in customizing to be exactly the way we wanted it, both functionally and aesthetically, using DIY. When we moved into our new home, I saw all of the potential with it that we could do with DIY to customize it the way we want. But these things do take time, so when you're living in a home that just doesn't look the way you want or function the way you need it to, it can be a bit frustrating on a daily basis. It's truly life-changing when you build something for your home to make it look and function the way you want. It really does provide comfort, joy, and organization every day that also can save you time. The number 4 reason is to make money. Here are 3 different ways. First, you can increase the resale value of your home or a house that you want to flip using DIY. A second way is if you want to rent your house out, you can increase the amount that you rent it for. This also works for an income property or like an Airbnb or something that you would want to fix up and rent out. You can rent it for more. And then a third way is by building furniture and decor and then selling it. I've personally experienced all 3 of these methods. Our last 2 homes that we sold, we were able to sell for a much higher value because of the DIY projects that we did to improve them, and it also made them sell a lot quicker as well with multiple offers. We also had rented out one of those homes at one point, and we were able to rent it for more because of that. And then also, I have built a lot of wood furniture, and I used to sell DIY with signs that I would make and make some money that way from selling them. The number 5 reason is to build confidence. Once you learn how to build something, it gives you the confidence to tackle bigger DIY projects or bigger home improvement projects, more advanced tools, or learning new skills with DIY. After I learned how to build, it gave me confidence to tackle more advanced DIY and home improvement projects like tiling, building built-in cabinets, DIY bathroom vanities, and even building a wall. But most importantly with this reason is that it can give you confidence in yourself to tackle something that once might have seemed way too challenging or maybe even impossible. And so it really just builds your overall confidence personally. Knowing how to do DIY and woodworking really is life-changing, and I now know the value with having these skills and being able to build something really amazing from a pile of wood. The reason that I'm sharing all this is because I know how valuable it is to have these skills, and I want you to be able to have these opportunities too, because for so many years now, many readers and subscribers have been sharing with me their struggles with getting started with DIY, feeling really overwhelmed about it, and just struggling with the basics. I have always loved sharing both here on the channel and my blog DIY projects and how I do them, but a lot of the foundational steps are left out because there's just not enough time to cover it all. So I'm super excited to share my big news here that after months of hard work, I have created a solution for this, and I have created a digital course that just launched today called DIY Woodworking Made Simple. It's a comprehensive, easy to follow digital course that provides step-by-step instruction directly from me about not only how to build a project from start to finish, but it teaches you all of the basics and foundational DIY woodworking skills that you need to start creating a home you love and that works for you, saving you thousands of dollars. So if you're interested, you can learn more and get all the details on the course page, which I will link directly below this video in the description box. With the course launched, I'm going to be able to get back to our regular projects for the home and sharing them here on the channel. I have a lot of fun projects planned, so make sure you're following along and subscribe. As always, thanks so much for watching.